The Oregon Health Authority is building a strategic plan to create 5- and 10-year goals for our agency. The strategic plan will be the North Star that helps shape the work we do each and every day. We'll use the strategic plan to prioritize projects. We'll ask ourselves, what are we trying to achieve in the short term and long term? And are we doing what the people of Oregon think we should be doing? To inform our strategic plan, we wanted to hear first from the people we serve, especially those people and communities we have not always heard from in the past.
To gather input for the OHA strategic plan, the OHA Office of Equity and Inclusion and the OHA Community Partner Outreach Program asked communities across Oregon how they would like to share their thoughts on our priorities for the future. Culturally specific and grassroots community groups from Medford to Ontario hosted more than 20 meetings. These groups and organizations customized their engagement events to be culturally and linguistically appropriate to meet the needs of their communities.
I think it's very important as a community health worker working in Hood River County and Wasco. It was a culturally adapted focus group, providing lunch, having child care, and just having a room where they were very comfortable and setting a vibe they would feel comfortable and welcome was very important to us to let them know that Oregon Health Authority wants to hear about them, wants to know what they need as a community. In addition to the community engagement meetings, Alejandro Aguilera CANO asked for input from Latino members of his community in Hood River for the weekly radio show Entérate on Radio Tierra 95.1 FM.
La verdad, la comunidad de aquí, de alrededor del Gorge, se podría decir, siempre estaba escuchando Radio Tierra. Pero agarran un poquito la información, escuché en la radio esto, y escuché esto, va a pasar esto, ¿no? O es las instrucciones de los niños, se me había olvidado, les recordamos. Es muy importante que la comunidad esté pendiente, entérate, por eso se llama Entérate. Entérate de lo que está pasando con la Autoridad de Salud de Oregon, lo que está buscando, ¿no?
Thanks to partners like Alejandro and Mayra, OHA heard what is important to communities historically and not part of the conversation. Tribes, communities of color, people with disabilities, and the LGBTQ community. By doing community engagement in this way, OHA is working to build trust and strengthen relationships so we can better understand health inequities, what communities need, and ultimately support the health of everyone in Oregon.
The strategic plan you are helping create will guide our work at OHA. To hold us accountable to the goals we set, the OHA performance system will track how we are doing. Thank you so much for engaging in the conversation today and for the work you do on behalf of Oregonians each and every day.